Okay, I'm reviewing the Top Right Firefighter Busy Board toy, ages 3 plus. I just put some batteries in it. I thought this toy was pretty cool, even without the batteries. Just all the clicking around would be fun, for a younger toddler. But I put the batteries in it, so here we go. Also, here's a little Hot Wheels size car and a little train track that I have handy just for size comparison. So it's not too big, definitely perfect size for a child. And this is like a thick wood that could sit on their lap or different things like that. Could probably sit on their lap in the car. Not sure if you'd want all these sounds while you're driving. But I only give it 4 stars instead of 5 because it's a little too loud. But most toys that are too loud, I can put a little bit of glue gun glue or a little piece of tape right here and easily fix that. And I'll show you that in a second. So here we go. Turn it on. Very exciting. Some of these are a little bit loud if you have a small home or apartment, or you have another child who's napping or something like that. These ones aren't bad at all, obviously, just lights. This one's a little bit shrill, kind of hurts my ears, but I'll show you if you press that. With this speaker covered, it's not so bad at all. So that's probably what I'll do, so it's not overly loud in case the baby's sleeping. So very fun toy. That one pretty loud, might get a little annoying after a while. But again, put some tape there so you have a volume control and kids will love it.
I've already.
This is a Top Right Busy Board. It looks great. It has tons of dials and buttons that you can press on. Shifters, the steering wheel. There's some lights. RPM and miles per hour and all these things. Switches. This is the on switch and off switch. There's a lot going on. As you can see, I turn on, everything kind of blinks. And then some of these things don't do much. They're just, you can just turn them, but they don't actually make sounds. Some do. So this little booklet that comes with it tells you which things do and make sounds and which don't. You can probably find that on your own too. But yeah, that's it. It's a busy board. It comes all assembled, nothing to assemble. You just need to put batteries in. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and this key is what turns it on.
And fill the water?
Button. Talk through it. Talk. No, you gotta. Or turn the signals on. Turn the siren on, Finn.
It's fun when one person has missed.
Whoa.
Turn on your GPS. Go to the fire.
And we're bored.
Okay. What? You didn't know I did that?
No.
Finn, you gotta press it once.
Good job. Good job. Nice.